seminar project presentation on psychology, biology, chemistry, and physics from the College of Sciences. And I'm Cody Nix. We have Harrison Skelton, Victoria Halbrook, I'm sorry, her name is Val, and Carla Horvath. I will be going first since I am a psychology major, and I'll start off with a little joke. What did the hippocampus say to the brain when it retired? Thanks for the memories. How many psychologists does it take to change a light bulb? Only one, but it has to want to change. Alright, now psychology has many different fields involved in it. First, I'm just going to name some of the fields and what kind of psychology it has in its name. So for research, there's cognitive neuroscience, in which you delve into the connection between the mind, the brain, and the nervous system, like physically and mentally. And then we have diagnosing and treating illnesses, which is clinical psychology. That'd be paired more with neuropharmacology and pharmacology, which goes into making medicines and diagnosing illnesses and dealing with patients. And then we have patient interaction, which is what you usually think of when you think of psychology. You think of basically people doing therapy sessions and counseling, group counseling, talking it out. And then we have brain behavior and cognition here at Georgia Tech, which falls under cognitive neuroscience. And some related sciences that I also plan on studying would be biochemistry, which I may be changing to my minor. And then we have biology, chemistry, and pharmacology. Pharmacology being the study of how to do medicines, how to make medicines, excuse me. And I interviewed Associate Professor Dr. Mark Wheeler. He's in cognitive neuroscience here at the Georgia Tech Psychology Department, and he's doing research. He told me that he likes about his field is that he can delve into the differences in the nervous system and just look into what's going on in the brain and mind mentally. And that's also the kind of research that I would like to be doing. I don't want to go into counseling, but I did speak to an actual psych major, Isabella Delore, and she is actually going into counseling to help other people and talk to them. And next we're going to be going into one of the related sciences, which is biology, and we will be looking at Carla, who is a biology major.
Hi, my name is Carla Horvath, and my major will be biology. So I'm going to start off with some puns like everyone else. Did you hear the joke about the famous microbiologist who traveled in 30 countries and learned to speak 3 languages? He was a man of many cultures. What did one cell say to his sister cell when she stepped on his toe? Mitosis. Okay, so Georgia Tech, as a research institution, has had many contributions to the field of biology. One of them being in late 2015 when they discovered an experimental ovarian cancer screening, and they were in partnership with another company with doing that. And there are many careers that biology encompasses. However, the ones that I'm more focused on and I'm thinking about as taking as my career are either healthcare nursing or more of a biomedical approach, such as working for the CDC or Center for Disease Control. The alignment between biology and myself, I've always been very passionate about helping people, and I've also had a really large interest in the human body and how it works, so biology kind of meshes the two. So I interviewed Mr. Francisco Castellan for my project. He's the pre-med advisor here at Tech, and I basically talked to him because I realized after I was accepted into Tech that I wanted to go into nursing, and this school does not have a nursing program. So he advised me on several things I could do to still pursue that career without having to transfer. And one of the options he said was obtaining my degree, whether it be in biology or something else, and going to another school and obtaining my master's degree, and just while doing that, completing the classes I need to fit the nursing degree. And while I'm at Tech gaining my degree, I can also get clinical experience by internships and co-ops. He also said that he would recommend at the school while I'm here not only taking internships and clinical experience, but also either minoring in psychology, which helps in that nursing program, or obtaining a biomedical certificate, which the school also offers, which also basically what that does is it just adds courses to what you're taking, and it fits more along what a nursing major would take at another school.
Hi, my name is Harrison Skelton. I'm a first-year chemistry major here at Georgia Tech. And just a brief overview, well, let me begin with my joke. So two nuns walk into a bar. One sits down and asks for H2O. The other sits down and asks for H2O2. And then the second one dies. Ha 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 ha. Okay, so the chemistry degree program that at Georgia Tech consists of several tracks. So the first track is the traditional chemistry track, which kind of gives a more generalized instruction in the field of chemistry. The second one is biochemistry, which meshes biology and chemistry together. The next one is pre-health, and pre-health is actually, it kind of prepares you to go into medical school and other schools such as dentistry school or pharmacy school. The next one is business, and so with business, that kind of prepares you to go the entrepreneurial route or marketing route. Polymer deals with plastics, and materials deals with materials such as rubber and things as such. I interviewed Kuna Fertingo. She's a third-year biochemistry major. She is also pre-health, as am I, and she feels that that her courses, along with the organizations that Georgia Tech provides, really helps her kind of be prepared for those entry exams that she's going to have to take, such as the MCAT. So yeah, that's the brief overview of the chemistry department. I'm going to pass it off to Victoria, and she's going to delve into with physics.
Hello, I'm Val Halbrook, a first-year physics major here at Georgia Tech, and I would like to open with some jokes for you. Why can you never trust atoms? Because they make up everything. Thanks, guys. A photon checks into a hotel and is asked if he needs any help with his baggage. He says, "No, I'm traveling light." Some different fields of study for physics majors include theoretical particles, gravitational waves, universe, and the way large masses such as galaxies interact with one another, and electromagnetism. With these, a physics major needs a lot of math skills, curiosity, and problem-solving skills. And these can be applied to multiple fields, including energy, engineering, research, medical technology, and others as well. I interviewed Andrea Welsh, a graduate student here at Georgia Tech, and she is currently working on research with complex systems and nonlinear dynamics. I was curious about what I would need to do in order to get a research position here at Georgia Tech as an undergraduate, since that is very valued in physics programs, and that would be an essential component for me getting to a graduate school. She told me that I would need to network with my professors, specifically my physics professors, though we are not limited to research only in our fields. There are many companies that will hire physics majors due to our problem solving and math skills, in addition to our classical understanding of physics and the average salary is about $100,000, but that's usually with a graduate degree.
Thanks for watching. I hope you learned a lot about the College of Sciences and all of our majors. Psychology.
Biology.
Chemistry.
And physics.
Woo!
Thanks for your time.